Hi everyone. Do you know what animals live on a farm? You do? Fantastic. I'm going to show you some farm animals now, and I want you to call out and tell me what animals they are, okay? Now, this animal starts with p, p. Do you know what it is? Yes, a pig. That's right, pig. Pigs like to play in mud. They get squelch, 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 squelch in the mud, and they get all dirty. Okay, another one. This animal has wool on their body. Do you know what that might be? Have a look. Do you know what it is? A sheep. That's right, a sheep. And a sheep says, ba, ba. Yes. Oh, now this animal, it wakes the farmer up really early in the morning, and any neighbours that live near the farm as well. Do you know what it is? Starts with rrr. It's a rooster, and it goes cock-a-doodle-doo. It's a rooster. Now this next animal starts with k, k, and it makes milk. Do you know what it might be? I'll show you. What is it? Yes, a cow. That's right. And here are the udders where the milk comes out. And we get the milk and we make cheese or yogurt, and some people drink the milk as well. Yes. Another animal. Oh, this one. This one goes woof, woof, woof. And it helps the farmer herd some of the animals, especially the sheep. Do you know what it is? A dog. Yes, a dog. Another one. Here. This one goes, neigh. You ready? What is it? That's right. A horse. Neigh, horsey. Have you ever ridden on a horse? You have? Okay, another animal. Ta-da! A goat. Goats also make milk, and we can drink their milk or make yogurt and cheese, the same as cows. And the next one. A hen or a chicken. You can call them either. And they give us eggs, don't they? Do you like eggs? Maybe you have eggs in an omelette? You do? There are lots of farm animals. This week we're going to be doing lots of activities learning about farm animals.